Okay, picture this. You are grinding through college apps and your squad is like, bro, Singapore is elite. And then half of your friends scream, Dubai is where the money is at.
And you're scrolling at 2 a.m. thinking which one actually levels up your career without burning a hole in your wallet.
Today we are spilling the real tea on Singapore versus Dubai. Tuition, cost of living, scholarships, internships, part-time gigs, ROI and lifestyle, the full package.
No brochure fluff, just straight up student talk. Let's get you closer to your dream university without the FOMO. Singapore is no joke. Top universities like NUS, which is on 11 number on QS rankings, NTU on 13 and SMU on 511. These universities are global powerhouses for STEM, business and research.
Just a heads up, studies here are super intense. Expect strict deadlines, tons of projects and way less Netflix all night vibes.
Dubai, the city is booming with branch campuses. Heriot Watt, Birmingham, Wollongong, Middlesex. English-speaking global exposure networking straight from the glass.
Want precision, research cred and top-tier ranking? Singapore. Want global exposure, industry access and flexible learning? Dubai.
Numbers time. Singapore tuition fee will cost you 8,000 to 40,000 Singaporean dollars a year. Living 1.5 to 2.5k a month. And coffee literally 350 rupees. Yes, really.
Dubai tuition is higher, 55,000 to 95,000 dirhams per year, but living costs are lower, 3,000 to 5,000 dirhams a month.
Singapore is pricey living.
Dubai is pricey tuition.
Pick your poison. Saving grace?
Scholarships.
Singapore has government scholarships plus university-specific grants at NUS, NTU, SMU. They cover tuition and living allowances.
Dubai offers university-level scholarships, 10 to 50% off if you have strong grades or apply early. Moral of the story.
If you are a bookworm, come to Singapore.
If you're a planner, come to Dubai. Now let's talk money. Singapore grads earn $50,000 a year, which is up to 43 lakh rupees. But post-study job hunt, only 6 months plus local experience often required.
Dubai gives 1 to 2 years post-study visa. Plus you can intern while studying. Salaries up to 100,000 to 150,000 dirhams, which is almost 22 to 35 lakh rupees. Plus zero income tax.
Want to go for short-term ROI? Go for Dubai.
And want long-term growth? Come to Singapore.
Think strategic.
Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Visa. So let's give you some visa updates. Singapore takes up to 6 to 10 weeks, which needs proof of funds, 15 to 20 lakh rupees. And Dubai, 2 to 4 weeks, mostly handled by your university.
Lifestyle vibes? Check. Singapore is clean, safe, organized, multicultural. And Dubai? Energetic, cosmopolitan and career-driven.
So Singapore feeds your brain
and Dubai fuels your hustle.
Now let's do the real talk because Singapore has strict rules. It's pricey and part-time gigs are limited. Group projects can be super intense.
And Dubai? Social, fun but easy to overspend. Competition is high, so networking is everything.
Still torn between Dubai's dazzle and Singapore's cred? Enter the student helpline.
We analyze your profile, goals, budget and tell you what actually makes sense. SOPs, LORs, scholarships and visas handled. We also prep you for interviews and mock visa sessions. So, Singapore or Dubai, which team are you repping? Drop it in the comments.
Before you DIY your apps, hit the student helpline. Your future self will thank you.
If you like this video, subscribe to the student helpline.
Like and share it with your friends who are still deciding between Singapore and Dubai.
And hit the bell icon so you never miss on any updates.
Thank you for watching.